This dance is called Old Soldiers Die Hard. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, improver level line dance. Starting on the right foot, vining to the right. Right to the side, cross the left behind, step the right to the side, sweep the left around. Into a jazz box, so cross on the left over the right, step back on the right, left to the side, cross the right over the left. So it's jazz box with a cross. That set of steps once more then, violin to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, sweep, cross, back, side, cross. Step the left to the side, drag the right towards the left, rock back on the right and recover. Repeat with the right foot. Step the right to the side, drag the left beside the right, rock back on the left and recover. That set of steps once more then, side drag off on the left. 7, 8, side, drag, back, rock, side, drag, back, rock. Let's add those two sections together. Violin to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, sweep, cross, back, side, cross, side, drag, back, rock, side, drag, back, rock. Step forward on the left, spiral yourself, full turn to the right. Not easy to do on carpet and slow speed. Walk forward 3 steps, right, left, right, hold. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself half a turn right, step forward on the left, hold. So a chase half turn with a hold. That set of steps once more then, step into that spiral off on the left. 7, 8, step, spiral, walk, 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 hold, step, pivot, step, hold. And clearly that spiral, the fact that it is a full spiral, is a full turn. Should you wish to try and take that out, literally step forward, hold, whilst everyone does the spiral, walk forward, right, left, right, hold, then you can put in your step, pivot, step, hold. And by taking that spiral out, it also eliminates that 1.5 turns, which probably means you'll be able to do that half turn, step, pivot, step, the chase half turn. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that full turn out of that section. So let's add that to the top. Violin to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, sweep, cross, back, side, cross, side, drag, back, rock, side, drag, back, rock, step, spiral, walk, 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 hold, step, pivot, step, hold. Into a full turn over 2 steps. So you're going to make half a turn left as you step back on the right, half a turn left as you step forward on the left. Finish off with a rocking chair. Rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. So that set of steps once more then, full turn off on the right. 7, 8, full turn, rocking chair. So again, that is another full turn. Should you wish to try and take that out, just walk forward 2 steps, right, left, and then add on your rocking chair. So non-turning steps. Now I will demonstrate that full turn whilst we're doing the walk-through. I'll actually be doing the non-turning walk-walk option when the music is on, but I'll still call out full turn so you know where it is in the dance. End of the dance, when we get to that point then, let's put it all together. Violin to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, sweep, cross, back, side, cross, side, drag, back, rock, side, drag, back, rock, step, spiral, walk, 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 hold, step, pivot, step, hold, full, turn, rocking chair. And there's no noun count in sight, so I'm not going to go through the counts, but it is a 2-wall dance. So let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Finding to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, sweep, cross, back, side, cross, side, drag, back, rock, side, drag, back, rock, step, spiral, walk, 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 hold, step, pivot, step, hold, full, turn, rocking chair. Side, behind, side, sweep, cross, back, side, cross, side, drag, back, rock, side, drag, back, rock, step, spiral, walk, 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 hold, step, pivot, step, hold, full, turn, rocking chair. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8, side, behind, side, sweep, cross, back, side, cross, side, drag, back, rock, side, drag, back, rock, step, spiral, walk, 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 step, pivot, step, full turn, rocking chair, side, behind, side, sweep, cross, back, side, cross, side, drag, back, rock, side, drag, back, step, spiral, walk, 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 step, pivot, step, full turn, rocking chair, vibe, jazz, side drag, spiral, chase, full turn, rocking chair, vibe, jazz, side drag, spiral, chase, full turn, rocking chair.
You had your reason, God only knows if it bothered you, baby. It never showed. Oh, soldiers die hard. Oh, hearts beat slow. Oh, friends go easy. Oh, lovers just go. Oh, soldiers die hard. Oh, heads hang low. Oh, friends go easy. Oh, lovers just go.
you managed that one.